guys, live here from Bangkok, Thailand, visiting a friend who's running a factory with multi-axis CNC robot arms. Really cool industrial setting here, so I thought, why not park the car inside next to those robots and take a quick look around. You know the car already, but this kind of industrial setting, I think that really looks cool. DMC Live. I guess that was it, a very brief video showing my 996 here in this industrial setting. I hope you liked the video. If you did like it, hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit it with a thumbs down. As usual, give me some comments. Let me know what you thought about it, what you liked or didn't like. I hope to see you next time with more DMC content. Live from Bangkok, Thailand, DMC Live.